Hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to see how to make a metric external thread. So first of all we will select part. So for making an external thread, or by this demonstration you will be able to create internal threads also. For creating a thread you require two commands, helix spiral and sweep cut. Both of them are present in the feature tab. Here in this feature tab, here you can see sweep cut, and another one is here helix spiral. By using these two commands you can create a metric thread, internal external both. So first of all I will select the top plane. I will select it, draw a sketch. For demonstration purpose I am going to draw a M6. I will create a M6 thread. So for that I would require a shaft of 6 dia. Okay, now I'll extrude it. I'll extrude it by 100. Okay, now I'm going to draw one circle here. In this plane, it will be exactly of dia 6. I'll draw a right click. Now I'll go to feature tab. In feature tab I'll go to curves, helix and spiral, and I'll do reverse in direction. So the height will determine up to which length your thread will go. So 25.5 is okay for me. The pitch is 1. Here for demonstration purpose I have okay, the pitch I will take as 1, and I will leave all these as it is, all these options as it is. So now my spiral is created. Now I have to create a profile which will cut along this spiral to create a thread. I will select a front plane. So now I'll draw one sketch here. Control 8 I will press. Now I will start. See, the spiral has started from here. This is the point. So exactly at this point and perpendicular to this point, my profile, I will create a profile which at the end I will sweep cut, and that's how a thread will be created over this shaft. So I will start creating this profile. So right now for demonstration purpose I am going to make a M6 thread, but I'm not going to use the exact dimensions here. Right now I'm just showing you how to create a thread. After that you can create your own thread with exact dimensions. So I'll start creating a profile. For my convenience I will click this view temporary axis. It will, by clicking this axis will appear. It will help me during my sketch making. So I'll take this distance as, actually this is a diameter. I'll take this as 2.3. I have already calculated 2.3, and these two are already collinear. Okay, now I'm going to give this die as 3. Okay, now this distance as 0.3. I'll draw one center line. This, you can say, a construction line also, and I'll make it collinear in this. Now I'll get dimensions here also. So my profile is ready. So my profile is ready. My path is also ready. This spiral is actually a path along which this spiral will cut and create a thread. So I will exit this sketch. So both my sketch and the path are ready. So now I'll go to this under this sketch feature tab. I'll go to sweep cut. Here in the sweep cut you will see many options. 3 options are there. I'll explain these options in my later videos. Right now we have to concentrate here. One, we have to select the profile. So my profile is this one. Once you click anywhere on these lines, this profile, over this profile, it will be selected, and now it is asking for path. See, here it is written path. So I have to select this spiral. Now I have to click OK. So in this way, see, our thread is created. I will hide this plane so that you can get a better view. I'll hide this spiral and helix, sorry, and now I'll highlight this. I will hide this view temporary access. So this is your this is the thread. This is the closer view of the thread. This is the M6 thread, though the profile which I have used to create this thread is not very much accurate, but for demonstration purpose I have used. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query related to this, please do comment in the comment section.